students, we at Sharat Chandra IAS Academy has started the UPSC Patham Prelims test series last Sunday, and we have conducted the test 1 of economy last Sunday, and UPSC Prelims test series has been evolving over a period of time, and the UPSC has been asking 3 statement questions these days. It has been increasing by the year by year. So, we at Sharat Chandra IAS Academy UPSC Patham Prelims test series are also following the same kind of pattern in the question paper as given by the UPSC. For example, we have taken the last Sunday's question paper, the 59th question. Here we have been asked about the cryptocurrencies. It's a 3-statement question. Here the statement 1. In this question, consider the following statements. Statement 1. Cryptocurrencies are not considered as a legal tender in India. And coming to statement 2, cryptocurrencies are not issued by the Reserve Bank of the India. Statement 3, income generated from the cryptocurrencies are not taxed in India. If we are observing these 3 statements, statement 1, cryptocurrencies are not considered as a legal tender in India. Yes, this statement is correct. As of now, these cryptocurrencies are not considered as a legal tender in India. And cryptocurrencies are not issued by the government or the Reserve Bank of India. Yes, this second statement is also correct. Coming to statement 3, income generated from the sale of cryptocurrencies are taxed in India. Yes, recently the government has introduced the 30% of the tax on the virtual digital assets. Cryptocurrencies are considered as the virtual digital assets. So the third statement is also correct. Coming to explanation part, why the currency is not considered as a legal tender in India? Because these cryptocurrencies are not issued by the government or Reserve Bank of India. That's why the cryptocurrencies are not legal tender in India. So only statement 2 explains the statement 1, not the statement 3. Although the third statement is correct, but the statement 3 does not explain the statement 1. So if we are coming to options, here the option B is correct. Both statement 2 and 3 are correct, but only one of them, the statement 2 explains the statement 1. So these kind of the questions we are asking in the Patham Prelims test series. So to benefit the student community, we are providing the Patham UPSC Prelims test series at 100 rupees. So come and let us practice together and crack the UPSC. All the best.